Good evening, guys. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. As you can see that we're having a little bit of a nighttime routine, or a winter nighttime routine actually. So I actually just got home from work. You guys kind of saw I kind of set the mood a little bit, and I didn't want to just have like a whole voiceover vibe for the video, so I did say, you know, why not just get on camera and kind of have it more like a vlog, since it is Vlogmas that we are doing. So yeah, lit a candle, turned on my tree, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and take a bath right now. So, well, actually a shower. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then you guys can join me for dinner. Hey Google, play classic Christmas songs on my Spotify.
Got it. Here's a Spotify playlist called Christmas Classics Playlist.
I also found these cauliflower linguine noodles, so I'm really excited to try that with our shrimp scampi tonight. guys know what time it is. I know I'm drinking a lot of liquids, but I have to have my tea from my advent calendar. So let's see what we're going to choose today. Alrighty, here are our choices. I'm feeling for, how about berry cinnamon? That sounds good for tonight. Tea is also so good for digestion. And y'all saw that I had, you know, stuff to eat. Quite a hearty meal. So I'm really excited. Ooh, I can already smell the berry in this. I am in love already, and I'm gonna love this one. I can just tell. Of course I'm making a mess. I just came to give you guys a tea review. You guys, this one, oh, the berry cinnamon is so good. I think it's one of my favorites so far. Might be the favorite, honestly, so far. So, really good flavor. And I'm going to get back to watching what I'm watching. So that is it for my winter nighttime routine, or my Christmas nighttime routine, holiday nighttime routine, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up, and honestly I'm kind of beat, so I might fall asleep in probably the next 30 minutes. But stay tuned for my next video, which is coming up tomorrow, because of course I'm doing Vlogmas, as you can tell from the title. So new videos till Christmas, guys. Thank you again for watching, and good night.